Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily publish Replit applications in the App Store in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, go to the official website replit.com, log into your account. So, for example, if you already have created the application and publish it, it will show up in here on published applications or in application itself. So just select that here. This is where everything starts. Okay. You can even click on republish. But before that, make sure that you already have a developer account created. So you can go to developer.apple.com, check all of the features available and the updates, and click on account. You just basically need to enter your existing email or phone number or sign in with your iPhone, which is much more easier. Once done, go back to Replit and you should have the option to start publishing to the App Store. So click on it. Just make sure to provide the project name, project slug. You can now scroll down. Now, the next step would be to enter your Apple developer email or phone number. And below that, just your password. Okay. Scroll down and you will see the option to sign in. Okay. It will open up a new window, same as earlier I showed you, and share your existing email or register or sign in with your iPhone. And then once done, you can click on register and you just need to basically start your enrollment. All right. You can now easily configure the last steps and your application is ready to be published. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.